it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Well, I just thought I'd pop on and say happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody. My husband and I went out for lunch today at our local seniors hall, the Norridge Seniors Hall, where we're members, and they had a lovely cabbage and corned beef dinner or lunch that we enjoyed. And we also took our puppy dog in to get his hair cut. We have 2 puppy dogs, but only one could go today. So we took that puppy dog and he got his hair cut and he looks sweet. And I also popped into the dollar store. So I'd show you, will show you what I got at the dollar store. I'm going to be putting up a video where I've made a tree in my living room out of some branches that I cut out of the yard. And I put these, I found out they're willow branches on the bare branches. So I picked up a few more. I'm going to put them on there just to fill it in a little bit more. And I got these lovely flowers. They're just little white baby's breath bush. Their dollar store is really full of lovely things now. So I'm going to go back and maybe do a video of the store, but this is all I picked up today, and I got these pretty flowers. I thought they'd be pretty for spring. Didn't see any forsythia, which I'd like to get. And I got this. It's a big Easter egg. I'm not going to use it for an Easter egg, but I'm going to use it as pattern for my pottery, because I can use the flowers, the diamonds, the little circles, anything like that. It'll work perfect. And plastic like this just transfers beautiful patterns on your pottery. So you'll see me using that. And I got this sweet little arrangement. I thought this was really cute. And I'm going to put it in a fairy garden that I have planned coming up. And I just thought it was really cute. It's a couple of butterflies and some pink flowers and some grass. And it's all bundled together. I thought it's really cute. So I will be working on fairy garden, and I'm going to do Easter decorating. So I have lots of things planned. I'm going to put up my gallery wall and get that video out. So that's what we were up to today. It's nice and sunny here in Lethbridge, so hopefully the snow will melt and it'll all go away. This little arrangement was $4. The other stuff for like $1. This was $1.75. And these bundles are, I think they're $1.75 too. Yep. No, these are $1.50. And the baby's breath are probably $1.50. I know my daughter was looking for this. I should let her know there's a bunch. Maybe she wants me to get her some. Anyhow, so that's what I was up to today. And again, I just wanted to thank all my new subscribers who've subscribed and joined our lovely little family here that we have on YouTube. I enjoy doing these videos as you know, because I always say so. And happy St. Patrick's Day. Hope you had a great day. Bye.